Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. The unreleased Galaxy S21 Plus 5G gets compared to iPhone 12 Pro Max in leaked videos. It has been less than 24 hours since the Galaxy S21 Plus was spotted on video for the first time, but same source has now returned with another video that compares the Galaxy S21 Plus to its closest rival, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The latest video doesn't confirm much in terms of features, but it does reveal how Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus camera bumps compare to one found on iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is one of the largest on the market at the moment. The new module itself is around half the size of Apple in terms of width, but a little bit longer. The individual cameras also seem to be about the same size, although the ones included on the Galaxy S21 Plus are similar overall, because Samsung hasn't bothered with individual matter rings like Apple. Most of the Galaxy S21 Plus camera specs are known at this stage, and it won't be too different than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, at least on paper. What is going to be interesting about both the devices is going to be the display of Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. The iPhone 12 Pro Max uses the same notch and bezels that were introduced back in 2017 on the iPhone 10. Samsung prefers to make small improvements every year, and in 2021 those efforts will be more evident than ever. The South Korean brand has adopted a much more futuristic look on its next generation of flagship smartphone that consists of small punch hole for the selfie camera and razor-thin bezels that are also uniform. The bezels are so thin on the Galaxy S21 series, in fact, that Samsung has apparently come up with a dedicated name for them, the blade bezels. This, coupled with a taller aspect ratio, means the Galaxy S21 Plus should be much more comfortable to hold than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, although there is one other design choice that plays a big role in this. Whereas the Apple has switched over to the entire flat frame, which led some people to complain about the phone digging into their hands, and these are going to be fingerprint magnet on the sides of the device. Samsung has decided to retain the rounded edges design that is still very popular for another year. Aside from the operating system, Android on Galaxy devices and iOS on iPhone, the most noticeable difference on paper is perhaps the chipset. Apple has fitted its latest device with an in-house A14 Bionic, and Samsung on the other hand is working on variants with the custom Exynos 2100 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. Both smartphones ship with 128 gigs of base storage as a standard, but another difference can be found in the RAM department. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is equipped with 6 gigs of RAM, while the Galaxy S21 Plus features 8 GB. The other area where two devices differ is the battery. Specifically, the Galaxy S21 Plus is reportedly equipped with 4800 mAh of battery capacity, much larger than the 3687 cell found inside the Apple devices. So overall, I personally think that the Galaxy S21 Plus has a little bit edge in terms of the designs, the spec sheet, and overall performance. So guys, what are your opinion about both the devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.